Okay, this is the page number 24 and we are going to move on another parts of speech, which is adjective. Adjective. What is an adjective? Give 3 examples. So students, what is an adjective? Adjective tells us quality of noun. Adjective tells us quality of noun. This quality can be good and can be bad, can be colors. For example, beautiful, sad, happy, etc. Okay? For example, you are tall, your sister is short, the pencil is red, the pencil is green. So these are the adjective. Adjective is the quality of any noun. Okay? It's the quality of any noun. This quality can be good and can be bad as well. So for example, naughty boy, for example, sharp student, for example, singing well, sweet voice. So these are the adjective. Okay? Now next topic is circle the adjectives in the riddle, then fill in the blanks to get the name of the animal. So students, here's the riddle given into you. So you have to underline and circle the adjectives, and then you have to fill the blank with the animal. Yesterday I saw a fierce animal. It was very strong. It had golden thick hair on its head. So what is the adjective here? The first one is fierce, strong, golden, thick. So these are the qualities of that animal. And who is that animal? That animal is lion. Lion. So what are the qualities of lion? It is strong, fierce, golden thick hair on its head. Next, I saw a bird on a tree. It had a beautiful tail. It had a colorful crown on its head. So I saw a bird on a tree. It had a beautiful tail. Now beautiful is the quality. It is an adjective. So you will circle this word. It had a colorful crown on its head. Now colorful is the quality of crown. So crown, colorful is the adjective, so you will circle this word. And who's that animal? It is peacock. It is peacock. The next one is, in the zoo I saw an animal with a long tail. It was jumping from one tree to another. It was very naughty. You can guess this animal very easily. In the zoo I saw an animal with a long tail. Now long tail, long is the quality of tail, so you will circle this word. It was jumping from one tree to another tree. It was very naughty. So naughty is the quality of that animal. And who is that animal? Monkey. Who is that animal? Monkey. So you will write monkey here. Now let's move to the next page. Now this is the page number 25. You will write date and day on the top of the page. And let's move to the topic. What is the question? Separate the describing and missing words from the giving phrases. Write them in their respective column. Here are some describing and naming words are given. You have to write and separate these words and have to write these in different columns in the respective columns. Okay? Here is the column of adjective and noun. For example, good boy. Now good is the adjective and boy is noun. Pretty doll. Now pretty is an adjective and doll is a noun. Smart girl. Now smart is adjective and girl is noun. Hot day. Hot is an adjective and the day is noun. Short hair. Now short is an adjective and hair is noun. It's very easy activity, students. Write adjective to describe these nouns. Here are some nouns given to you and you have to write some adjective for these nouns. For example, buildings, large buildings. Dog, a black dog. Biscuit, a sweet biscuit. Teacher, a nice teacher. Poem, a good poem. Rose, a red rose. Okay, the next topic is, the next parts of speech is pronoun. What is pronoun? Give 3 examples. So students, what is pronoun? It is used instead of noun. For example, he, she, it, etc. Students, जब noun की जगह हम कोई word use करते हैं, for example, Ali is a good boy. He is 5 years old. Now we are using he instead of Ali. हम अली की जगह ही वर्ड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं ना, तो ही क्या होगा, ही इज़ प्रोनाउन. सो जो भी वर्ड हम नाउन की जगह यूज़ करते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं प्रोनाउन. फॉर एग्जांपल ही, शी, इट. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ प्रोनाउंस डेफिनेशन. सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. This is the page number 26, students. You have to write date and day on the top of the page. Underline all the pronouns in the paragraph below. So students, here is a paragraph given to you. You have to you have to underline all the pronouns. For example, देखिए, this is very good and interesting activity. Nazia and Farah are my friends. They. Now we are using they instead of Nazia and Farah. ठीक है. They read in class 3. So we are using they instead of noun. So we will underline this word. They are हार्ड वर्किंग एंड पंक्चुअल. सो क्या करेंगे, हम दे को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. वी गो टू स्कूल टुगेदर. वी, नो वी आर यूजिंग वी इंस्टेड ऑफ नाज़िया एंड फरा एंड आई. सो वी आर यूजिंग वी. सो हमने इसको भी अंडरलाइन किया. आवर बेस्ट टीचर इज़ इंग्लिश टीचर. सो यू आर यूजिंग आर. नाउ आर एज प्रोनाउन. You, now you is pronoun. You don't guess how lucky I am. I am. Now we, instead of using name we are using I. So this is I pronoun. I am to have such a loving friends. So students, आपने इसमें प्रोनाउन को अंडरलाइन किया. प्रोनाउन क्या है, जो हम नाउन की जगह यूज़ करते हैं. नाजिया और फरा की जगह दे यूज़ हुआ, फिर वी यूज़ हुआ, फिर आर यूज़ हुआ, फिर यू एंड आई. जब हम नेम यूज़ नहीं करते और उस नाम की जगह जब हम कोई वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, दैट इज़ प्रोनाउन. ठीक है. सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच. इट इज़ preposition. It is preposition. What is preposition? Give 3 examples. Preposition shows the position of noun. ठीक है. किसी भी नाउन की हमें ये पोजीशन बताता है कि वो कहाँ है. फॉर एग्जांपल इन, ऑन, ओवर, अंडर, एटसेट्रा. ठीक है. Label the picture using preposition. Helping box. Here is a box given to you, and in this box some prepositions and positions are written for you to help to describe these pictures. For example, here's a boy under the box. Here's a boy under the box. Now this is the positions. ठीक है. These are the positions. Here's the boy in front of box. अब ये in front में है तो we have right in front. ठीक है. Now he is beside the box. We have wrote beside. Now he is back in the box. So you will write in the box. वो अंदर है तो we will write in the box. He is on the box. He is over the box. Over, ऊपर, बिल्कुल ऊपर. He is behind the box. Now he is between the box. दो बॉक्स के दरमियान में तो between है. So these are the positions, students. So students, we have recalled the parts of speech you have read in previous class 2. We have recalled noun. What is noun? That noun is the position of a noun is the name of person, place, thing, or an animal. Then we have read about verb. Verb is a word that shows actions. Then we have done an activity of using verb in the blanks. Then we have add some verbs in sentences. So next we have read about adjective. That we have read that adjective tells us the quality of noun. So then we have done this activity that we have to separate the adjective and noun here. Then we have read about pronoun. That pronoun is used instead of noun. So then we have read about preposition. That preposition shows the position of noun, and we have done this activity as well. I hope you got the idea and you have to learn all the definitions.